So in this video, we're just going to simply, hopefully finish up the bottom end of the Beetle body, get it ready to put back on the chassis. With that, it's a little bit of sanding, a little bit of cleaning up, and then pour 15, more or less the sides of the heater channels and the rear cross member support, and maybe scrape off all the rubber that's on the footwell, wheel well area inside the vehicle. So yeah, let me show you what we're going to work on, and then I'll get it done. So what I'm going to do is take my little belt sander. I have no idea what the hell that is. Anyway, gonna just clean these off a little bit, grind it down. I'm gonna go through, put paper towels in all these holes, clean up a little more, and just pour 15 all along here. Just try and prevent any further, if it'll ever rust again. In here, what I'm probably going to try and do is scrape all this stuff off with a little multi-purpose scraper tool. And probably, like, in here, go through, put a sealer, and then, I may or may not pour 15 the inside of the channel. I mean, not a lot of water will get in there. But what I will do is pour 15 this back area. Just the cross member itself. This part. So I'll stop right at this line. And then up there. And go through. Try and just scrape all the loose stuff off and seal it, and then hopefully that will be it. Let's see what I can get done. Okay, so here we are, stage one of however many of trying to button up the bottom end of the body. So I have 2 coats of pour 15 going all along the heater channel, and over my patching. Well, we saw this before, so also have it, let's see if I can not shake. I have it pour 15 there, just the inner portion up to a point, because I'm going to use bed liner all in this area. Let's see if I can get any lighting. Well, I'll go back to that. Pour 15 all along there. I did not pour 15 the heater duct because I either still need to weld it, or I could just use construction adhesive, who knows. Laid pour 15 in massive drooling amounts around there. Pour 15, pour 15. Everything looks better when you make it shiny. Whether it's quality of work or not, yeah, I won't admit to quality work, but trying to make this solid. There we go, back to lighting. So yeah, now here. So what the next plan is, I apologize if the camera is shaking. The next plan, maybe I can do that. Whatever. The next plan is to get some kerosene for my heater, which is over there. Damn thing's like a jet. Gonna get some kerosene for that. Move the body back into the corner so the wife can get her parking spot back. And I'm just gonna let it bake overnight so everything is as hardened as it can be. And then I'm going to use the sealer and fill every nook and cranny, so that way hopefully it'll never rust again. It may not be pretty, but hopefully it'll never rust. So yeah, on to the next stage. So here's a quick overview of the sealing that I did. Just sealed there because there's a crack from the damage. sealed underneath where I welded. There's some sealing there and all around that thing. The brace where the body mounts onto, or however it goes. Sealed in there also, so I got both sides of where I welded. And a little bit there, a little bit there. Also, a whole lot around here. Anywhere I welded or just seemed like it could have been sealed, I sealed it. Some over there. Nothing much over there. Well, actually, yeah, there's, see, sealed up. And the last area is this, because yeah, this firewall or whatever it's called, it's seen better days. Just trying to give it a much longer life. So yeah, now to wait for that all to cure, then sand and put sand and put bed liner on a lot of the areas. Not all of them, but a lot of them. So here we go. Okay, so here's the product I'll be using. Herculiner, truck bed liner, some form of kit. I'll figure it out as I go. And you get to watch me figure it out. Hooray! Well, that's it for this video. So as a quick recap, there was some sanding, some pour 15, some sealing using Loctite. Oh, what the hell was it? Hold on. Some Loctite, polyurethane, whatever. I've used this to make motor mounts, things of that nature. And after that, the herculiner truck bed liner. Some of this might have been overkill, some of it might have not been. Again, I think I've said it a few times just through this video, is just to seal it all up. That's all I'm hoping for. No more rusting, nothing. So yeah, there's that portion. Next video should be me working on the engine. It ran before I pulled it out, so it should just be a spark plugs, replace a push rod tube. Yeah, say that 5 times fast. Most people probably can. Anyway, so yeah, that's everything. Bye-bye.